Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair. Javier will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 4.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Thanks, Javier. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Oil prices settled higher on Friday and notched over 3% in weekly gains, as positive economic data and signals from Fed policymakers that they could cut interest rates as early as September eased demand concerns, while fears of a widening Middle East conflict continue to raise supply risks. A week of wild market swings has investors looking ahead to inflation data, corporate earnings and presidential polls for signals that could soothe the recent outbreak of turbulence in US stocks. US stock volatility has surged this month as a run of alarming data coincided with the unwinding of a massive yen-fueled carry trade to deal equities their worst sell-off of the year. Chrysler parent Stellantis is laying off as many as 2,450 factory workers from its Warren truck assembly plant outside Detroit as the automaker ends production of the Ram 1500 classic truck. The layoffs will be effective as early as October the 8th, as the plant moves from a two-shift to a one-shift operating pattern in General Assembly.
Thank you for this, Javier. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The Portuguese Consumer Price Index at 10 GMT. Germany's Wholesale Price Index at 6 GMT. Finland's current account will be released at 5 GMT. Japan's Producer Price Index at 23:50 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.